Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I will be showing you guys how I pack and ship my large acrylic signs. This video is definitely one of my most requested videos, so I am very excited to be doing this one for you guys today. Down in the description box, I will link all of the materials that I'm using today, including the boxes. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and more confident when shipping larger signs. Here is a preview of how I made the sign that I'll be shipping today. I have a full tutorial on how to make acrylic wedding signs that I will link down in the description box and in the cards. I want to start off by giving you guys some encouragement when it comes to shipping wedding signs. It can be really daunting in the beginning. I myself was very scared of shipping because of the pricing and if the sign would potentially get broken, like what would you do? So I just want to give you guys some encouragement and give you the best tools that I have and things that I have tried and tested to hopefully help you ship signs with no problems at all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's get on into the packaging. This sign order did actually have a few smaller signs included as well, so I am going to be shipping all of them together. So here I'm just prepping the smaller signs to be packaged. The paper I'm cutting here is a parchment paper. You can find this on Amazon. They're just parchment paper sheets that are really easy to cut down to size to fit the size of the sign that you're trying to package. This is a very important step for any painted acrylic signs. The parchment paper will act as a barrier between the paint on the back of the sign and whatever packaging you're going to be putting it in. In this case, I'm going to be using a cello bag for packaging these smaller signs. This here is a 9x6 cello bag that I'm just putting the sign in along with the parchment paper and sealing it up. I also like to add logo stickers to my packaging as well. Now I'm going to repeat this same process to package up the rest of the smaller signs for this order. I have a detailed video of how I pack and ship smaller acrylic items. I will link that down in the description box for you guys if you have any questions regarding this process. Now we're going to go ahead and take our smaller signs and wrap them in packing paper. I ordered this paper off of Amazon. They are pretty large sheets and really easy to work with. Basically, it's just packing paper like you would use as if you were moving or something like that. What I do is wrap them individually by type. So these are the 5x7 reserved table signs. I'm just wrapping both of them together, and then I will add thank you stickers. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the 3 8x10 size signs as well. The next step is adding bubble wrap to these signs. I just wrap them all in smaller bubble wrap, the one that has these smaller bubbles. I use larger bubble wrap for my larger sign, but smaller bubble wrap for the smaller signs that I'm wrapping here. Once my sign is completely dry and ready to ship, I protect the back of the painted side with a few sheets of parchment paper. This helps prevent the paint from sticking to the packing paper, which is the next step in the process. Now we're going to grab 3 sheets of packing paper. Line the first 2 sheets up like this and then add tape in the middle to secure them. Then you're going to take your sign and lay it right in the middle. Lay the 3rd sheet on top of the sign and then finish wrapping up the sign in the packing paper. And then I like to add in a thank you card and a handwritten note. And then I also add in this reminder to tag us on Instagram. Here I'm just writing a little note on the thank you card, and then I'm going to add that along with the packing slip into a cello bag and include this in the shipment. This particular order did have some wood sign stands included, so I'm going to go ahead and package those up as well. Next, I'm going to wrap all of the signs together with plastic wrap. If it's only one sign, like only one large welcome sign, I'll skip this step. But since there's multiple signs in one order, I will go ahead and wrap all of them in plastic wrap so they'll all be secure in the shipment. The next step is going to be wrapping in bubble wrap. I use the larger bubble wrap as the final bubble wrap for the sign. I like this one because it gives the sign a lot more cushion and protection. After the sign is wrapped and secured, I add in these cardboard corner protectors and then fold my box around those. These boxes that I use are so easy to work with because they have the perforation marks there. That way you can just place your sign right in the center and then fold the edges to the right size and then secure with tape. For this, you will need some really good packing tape because you want to make sure that your box stays intact. This box is 18 by 24, so it fits my 18 by 24 inch signs perfectly. If I'm doing a larger sign, which could be anywhere from 24 by 32 or 24 by 36, I will use 2 of these boxes, one to cover the back and one to cover the front. They're only about $2 a piece, so really cost effective if you are looking to ship larger signs. Next, we're going to take our scale and weigh out our package now that it is fully packaged up. I ended up rounding this one up to 6 pounds. This order was placed through Etsy, but I ended up using Pirate Ship to ship this package because the cost difference was drastic. On Etsy, they weren't giving me any options for UPS, which I know is cheaper for shipping larger signs, so I ended up going with Pirate Ship. I ended up paying $16.15 to ship this sign all the way from Texas to Maine. Then I used my Rollo printer to print my shipping label, attach it to the package, and add a few fragile stickers to make sure that the Postal Service knows that this package is fragile and to be careful with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up before you go, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys soon.